I'm Tasha Harder. I'm a second year at the Colorado Plateau Family and Community Medicine Residency Program. First of all, it's where I've done all of my training as a med student, so I know nothing other than the multiple modalities that a community health center has to offer the patients outside of just medical care. The ability to say, I've got a patient who's in crises, or I have a patient who is depressed and I think they would benefit from therapy now. Like, instead of calling up a therapist and getting my patient on a wait list for 3 weeks before they can talk to somebody, I walk down the hallway and ask somebody if they're free for 5 minutes to talk to a patient. On top of that, I can go and talk to the pharmacist and be like, hey, I'm really concerned about this patient. Like, what do you recommend out of the 30 different antidepressants there are? Like, which one do you think is best for this patient? You're not treating a patient alone, ever. Like, you always have a team to help treat the patient, and you know that that patient's getting the best level of care. And that's where I want to practice, is a place where I know that my patients can get the best care possible. I'm super excited to practice here because I have that freedom to kind of explore my own interests. So doing more osteopathic therapy, treating pregnant women, seeing kids, and then seeing like the grandmas, like North Country will allow me to do all of that. Our population at North Country is a higher risk population. You know, they are underserved, and it's super awesome when we can provide care to patients that otherwise wouldn't get it. We're training healthcare professionals to take care of these underserved populations. And I truly think that like healthcare is the ultimate policy. If your community or your population doesn't have their health, like, you don't have anything. You don't have the foundation for your healthy community. Ultimately, like, creating a better Flagstaff and a better Northern Arizona is what's happening when someone donates to our residency program.